Good morning, everyone. We got all kinds of people in the house. Hold on, I'll get. Good morning. Good morning. Just kind of getting some things going on. Like Stacy, everyone's excited. I wonder why everyone's so excited today. Why is everyone so happy today? Huh? I'm a little frustrated. My CPU fans are revving up right now. That Arctic Silver don't come in tomorrow. If that don't solve the problem, I'm buying a new computer. I can tell you that right now. I'm just gonna throw in the towel. It's whether I spend like 2,000 and some for 4070 or 4,000 for 4090. I think the answer is obvious. What I should do: save money and buy the 4070. But my dumb ass will probably buy the 4090. Good morning. I'm still kind of getting things ready behind the scenes. We are about 2 minutes away from the bell. It was a close vote, but people voted not to get rid of the dings. I know if Farnswoggle would ever come around, he would vote for the ding. Let me check a microphone. Let me check a little blur check. Looking like we got good focus. All right, what do we got going on? Are we live? Yep, we live on Rumble. Welcome to the Rumble. We got fun and games. The fans are wearing my mental stability very, very thin. They'll be quiet and then the rain and then they'll go down and then the rain. Who can, like, what? All right, 2 people in the house, 3 likes. Not bad. I mean, obviously there's 3. I see JT. Oh, I see Kurt in the house. Oh, we haven't done the Kurt Coit in the house. Oh, Canada. What do we got? We got JT in the house. There's a button for JT. I don't like this one.
This is Elon Musk.
We got Jason in the house. Sir, Bitcoin, you're going 90 miles an hour in a school zone. Yeah, Bitcoin's going crazy right now. Jason, token joking in the house. Book is gonna cook. How you doing? Looking my husky. Yeah, dude. You guys, man, you guys are some alpha over there. I was looking at the price of husky yesterday, and it like doubled. We're gonna take a look at. Remind me, we'll take a look at that. We got the dings. Ding 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 ding. Oh, Canada. All right, let's see what we got. Getting rich on book. Yeah. But every time I see Goot, I think glute. Going fishing with the sun after. Hell yeah. What kind of fishing do you do? We talking trout? We talking catfish? We talking bass? Are you out there? Are we talking sea fishing? Aren't you on like near an ocean? Anyone egg hard boiled eggs? Love them. No, I used to eat them a lot as a kid. They kind of gross me out now. You eat them regularly as well. Already up to 3 likes. Hell yeah! What's this right here? Jason trying to. Oh, look at what. I'm a little scared, dude. This guy scares me. I'm scared. Jason, you're not gonna be driving. You're not gonna be doing me dirty, are you? Like right off the rip, getting a YouTube algorithm. This guy looks a little bit. Kurt. Oh, is that Kurt? Should be giving my boy? Oh yeah, thank you, Coit. Rumble's been kind of weak lately. That's the greatest Bitcoin. This Bitcoin signal is This Bitcoin indicator is flashing and it screams to buy Bitcoin. That should have been my title. Teddy KGB. Hosky and Book going bonkers. Book is already cooking. You know what? Let's see. Yeah, picked up some track yesterday at 70, right? You know what hasn't been mentioned in this chat and has been going bazonkers, and we missed the freight train on, and Bison talked the shit out of it, is Kujira catfishing. You're catfishing chicks. I may or may not have gone hand catfishing in the past. I'm not going to admit to it because I'm pretty sure that's illegal. That's a thing people would do in Kansas. Why would that be illegal? Hand catfishing illegal. Hand fishing illegal. I mean, you think hand fishing illegal. Called noodling? Oh, it's legal. Maybe they legalized it and it used to be illegal. I remember it being illegal. I mean, you should be able to provide by your family with just your bare hands, right? Look at Coinbase. Holy Coinbase. What's the token for? Oh, track is freaking, that's the token Retro would never shut up about. That's Origin Trail, isn't it? I'm pretty sure Track's picked up Track. Token, are you Retro coming in as a different account? I miss Retro. He needs to come around more. Things are picking up, man. I'm kind of like the way I mean, all right, let's look. All right, I'm excited, guys. Track is the chain link for BTC. Kurt over here trying to says for watching. Yeah. No, Kujira is its own token. It's like its own thing. I mean, the fact that it's doing what it's doing, it feels. I don't know. I don't know enough about it, but the fact that it's doing what it's doing, it feels a little like kind of like a VC scam pump. Maybe I could be way off base. The miners are green. All right, let's see what's going on in the markets really quick. Bitcoin futures up $2,000. Most of this, like the title, Bitcoin. There's a lot of Bitcoin ETF like rumors with a lot of cooking oil on them. The current thought is all Bitcoin ETFs are going to be approved between now and like November 17th. I think is the date. Yeah, between now and next Friday, they think it's going to happen. I think there's a meeting today with the SEC. Dude, whether it's rumor, speculation, scam pumps or not, I don't know. I the way Bitcoin's moving, we'll take a look at it real quick, but I do want to come back and finish out the stock. I mean, this is an incredible move. No, I was going to say that's the weekly. No wonder. Still an incredible move. We've gone from 27,000 2 weeks ago to 30, like we're pushing 38,000. I think we might have hit 38,000. Let's see. 37,773. We busted above this like 36K level, which is a pretty big Fibonacci. And we'll have to see if we come back and back test this and then move on up to 42. This is kind of what I've been discussing. I thought we would go to, and I think I have a chart that proves it. Although, yeah, I kind of nope, here it is. I thought we would move up to 36 and then, nope, this is way back. But I remember discussing that I thought the next moves would be 36 and then 42,000. It wouldn't surprise me if we're in the 40s or 50s by the end of the year, especially if that ETF comes. Kurt, you're killing me. Now and next week? Between now and, yeah, next Friday. Gonna be flying to Germany when. What days are you not gonna be on stream, Kurt? Those are gonna be the saddest days of my life. Just cheering like crazy. Yeah, you know what? While you're in that plane, if I'm streaming, you better buy. I don't care if it costs you $200 for the data package. You better be here, bro. All right, track is the chain link. I thought track was origin trail. It was kind of like B chain data. Yeah, this is like data, kind of like B chain. Did they pivot? This is not what the website used to look like. Oh yeah, it kind of is. An overflow, blah blah blah, knowledge infrastructure, already asset. Like it's like supply chain stuff, I thought. Designed for network effects across multiple blockchain. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is like. This is one of Retro's favorite. If Retro was here, he'd be all bricked up. I don't have anything against it. You gotta watch out for the dysentery. You don't want to get dysentery. This is the wrong token. Oh, this is, bro. This is track. Track, and this is origin trail. So I don't know what track you're talking about. Let's see. Track. Oh, track ordinals. Yeah. All right. You're all up into them ordinals. 1 year, $1.50. How long has this thing been out? Yeah, so this is the Oric. They don't even have a website you can go to. So this is an Oracle for Bitcoin. How do you even buy this shit? XT and Gate? I don't think I can use Gate. Maybe with the VPN. I don't even know what this is. Yeah, this is interesting. I mean, I'm not buying it, but let's see. Just I'll be in business, so I got white. Nice. And why am I killing you? Because I'm trying to watch two chats at once. You're over here talking at two chats at once. This is the BRC20 track is the link of Bitcoin ordinals. DJ. What's the value of an Oracle? I have no idea. Oh, what you mean like the real world value? What's the value of an oh, I'm sorry, trying to improve my overall. Yeah, Kurt, come on. You got me, I already have like crazy OCD and attention deficit disorder. You say one thing over here and then you say one thing over here, you got me all over the place. Now you're going to call me a dick? You're a dick. Do you mean the value? It's just ordinals are just thank you for the hearts. Ordinals are just NFTs on Bitcoin. That's their value. Billions what? All right, let's finish the market up. Coinbase, JT. I can't remember. Someone was saying you should buy some Coinbase instead of Tesla. I can't remember who that was. Tesla down $5, and just 1 day later, I look like a genius. Coinbase up $7. This party's just getting started, boys. This party's just getting started. Coinbase, what is their market cap? I know we looked, but it's like 20 billion, right? Coinbase market, 23 billion. What is Binance market? Looks like there's not really an easy way to get that. Wells Fargo market cap, 148 billion. Do you think something like Coinbase can be worth more than a bank and a bull run? So 20 billion. Coinbase hit like $450 a share. We're talking like 80 billion. Yeah, I think that's easily. I think getting back to all-time highs is an easy no-brainer. They're the custody for all these Bitcoin ETFs. So probably the biggest exchange in the world at this point. They're a minority partner of Circle, which is USDC. I'm hearing the United States government now is trying to ban USDT. You don't think shenanigans are going on with all this? So an NFT basically secured by the BTC blockchain. Yeah, I mean, I'm not an ordinal expert. All I know, it's an inscription on a Bitcoin. Bitcoin. It's an inscription on like a Bitcoin Satoshi address or something like that, like on the actual SAT, the actual block. So you actually, I don't know. It's a weird thing, and the miners have to create it, and it's expensive. I don't know if that's gotten better. I missed a comment by Token. I see I don't know how you say this. Kujira pump. I have no idea why it's pumping. The TG is just a bunch of hype, dude. Oh, the Telegram. Man, you're such a DJ, and you're in all these Telegrams too. Token Jokin's going to be our go-to alpha guy going forward. Well, him and Velez. Velez has some heaters too. I checked last night. Other than that, I have no idea why Sivo was calling it. Who's Sivo? Were these ordinals? They started towards the end. I think ordinals started to become a thing when the bear market, when it wasn't too bad, like Bitcoin was coming down. I forget the exact. I was interested in them, and a lot of like true Bitcoiners hate them. Jason says coin gonna moon. I couldn't agree more. Is it with no Lightning Network's completely different. Lightning Network, they started last March. Lightning Network is more like kind of like what Hydra's gonna be. It's just like layer 2. They're actually having a lot of problems with the Lightning Network. I don't know if they're actually going to get that to work, to be honest. They have it, has a lot of problems. The last time I checked, I'm by no means an expert on it. For me, Lightning Network would be cool, but I don't need a lot of, I just need Bitcoin. I don't care about people that want to buy things with Bitcoin. You're morons, right? The only thing Bitcoin needs to be is a highly secure store of value. And it's still, even if it takes, like if the Bitcoin network's congested and it takes like 15 minutes to transfer it, and what if it was gold? How long would it take to transfer your gold? Sometimes these high dollar wire transfers take days, right? HODL BTC for life. For the most part, I agree. I made 200x in ordinals this summer. I minted meme and got over 150. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's one of those things like it's a time commitment that I didn't have, and I didn't want to get into it. And I know how. You made 100x's, but what's your overall profit? Right? It's a very degen thing that takes a lot of time, and you got to master buying and selling, and you got to spend all this time where to buy, what to buy, right? That's why book is cool, but I don't have that much time. Token, I just need you to tell us like, hey, this book's going to drop today. Not financial advice, but you should buy it, bitch. All right. Ricky in the house. How you doing, brother?
All men and women created by go. You know the thing.
All right, that's my time. You've been great. What's Bitcoin doing? Now, did we finish? We didn't even see what any of the futures are doing. They must be down. They're pretty flat. But gold up $4 at 1961. E-mini S&P down $1.50. $1.75, basically flat. Bitcoin futures up 2,100. We're pushing 38,000. We're going to get there in a second. NASDAQ futures down 7. Stock market's pretty boring today. Bonds, I should have kept my bonds trade on. I would have got out at nice profit, but I got impatient like a dummy. I could have showed you how to masterfully traded a bonds put spread. I mean, I still got out of a profit, but I should have got out at the target 50% profit. Corn, soybeans, wheat. All right, anything else? ADA! ADA's 38.4. ADA's 38 cents. Solana, V5, Bobana. Let's hop on over. All right, total crypto market cap 1.37 trillion. This thing's on a rocket ship to Mars. Next stop 1.64. Although it'd probably be nice to see some healthy retracements to like the fib or the 20. Although there are times when it just moons and it moons and then it just takes time for the 20 and the 50 and the 200 to catch up. I don't think we're at the start of this yet. We're probably like, is it front running? Who the hell knows with this ETF, dude? You gotta throw the cookbook out the window with this ETF. But people, the FOMO is starting in crypto. The FOMO is starting in crypto. Retail's gonna start flooding in, and this is gonna go from 1.3 to 2 to 3 trillion quick. 366 billion. Just kind of trying to get an idea of what we got. So that took 206 days. 206 days for basically like 2 trillion to come in. What is that, like 8-9 months? And then it dropped back down. And then we got all the way up to 3 trillion. Hopefully we don't get one of these right here. I don't want to go through another one of these where it gets in May and then it crashes. Why did it crash? Tesla was selling Bitcoin. China. There was a big China ban again. I can't believe a big China ban took us down like this. And that made a comeback. This was very painful. Very painful. And the worst part is we lived through this pain, and then it came screaming all the way back up to like a 70K Bitcoin. And the Kool-Aid was just flowing through our veins. You couldn't tell us shit. There was no way Cardano was ever going to be below like $2. Bitcoin was ever going to go back below like 40,000, right? Like the train was going to continue to just keep on rolling, right? No. We're so shell shocked that we are definitely in disbelief right now. We're waiting for the hammer to drop any freaking second. I know I am. I'm still a little scared. I think this is the beginning of the bull run, but I'm just like, any day we can wake up and some bullshit came out and made the price dump. Velez in the house. How you doing, brother? That's such a wimpy semi-horn. Everything is, yeah. I kind of want to look at Kujira. Bonk is pumping hard. Bro, I'm not going to say another thing about why is it Caspa? What do you remember? Oh, you remember that bear run? Everything. I mean, you could brag about any of you. Oh my goodness, bro. This is incredible. Yeah, just think. We could have all in right here when Velez told us to buy this. This is crazy. This thing is going absolutely berserk. It's almost 2x in less than a week. Yeah, this is one of those ones. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Hindsight's 2020. That expression I hate. Caspa's the bee's knees. How's Ergo doing? I don't understand this, to be quite honest. You got none of that yet? Velez has been telling us Velez told us to buy it legit right here. at 0.016. And we missed out on a 500% burger. I agree. Kurt says I don't have any of these, but I love it when our boys are successful. How's Ergo doing? I always say I'd rather invest in Ergo than Caspa because I think there's more upside. I mean, it's trying to participate. It's trying to precipitate. It's up 28%. Speaking of Ergo, how's my Rosen doing? 21. Here's my Rosen that I bought for the Rosen Bridge. I'm still up, but not by much. I got this at like 0.018. Rosen Bridge should be out soon. Hopefully that'll bring some love and joy into Cardano and Ergo. Cardano at 38.5. We've had a high of 38.6, so we're right there. I mean, this isn't getting me out of bed. I think about getting out of bed maybe at 50 cents. This is still like crazy undervalued. Solana made a big mistake when I didn't sell my Ethereum for Solana. I was bitching about paying $500 in fees when I could be up thousands. Maybe more. I'd probably be at more than $10,000 right now if I would have done that. Nope. Tom, you let fees get in your way. That's fine. This is a pretty impressive move considering FTX has a bunch of Solana tokens that they're dumping on the market. I don't know if there's a pullback. Speaking of Tasty, again, link down below. I think it would behoove Coinbase pushing $100. It would behoove yourself to get an account over here, especially if you're big into crypto and you do stocks and want to do options. We'll be doing a lot of that, especially in the next bear run. But you can trade crypto over here. They don't have a lot, but they have Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, DOT, Doge, ADA, and Sol. I'm sure they're going to start adding more back with some of this SEC clarity coming. But you're going to be able to, you can't yet, it's coming very soon. You're going to be able to send your Bitcoin in, your Ethereum in. I don't think ADA is going to be available out the gate. I don't know about Solana, but you can trade $1 million. You could sell $1 million of Bitcoin and they'll charge you $10. Right now, if you're doing less than like $500 in your trades, honestly, Robinhood might be the best place. I hear they get really good low trade fees. I don't know what their bid ask is like. I use Coinbase Advanced. The fees are like 1.5%. So if it's, I don't know, like less than $700 or something, then $10 don't mean much. But I transferred in 15 ETH and it was going to cost me like 200 and some bucks. Here it would be 10. So it's just a nice flexible way to be able to trade large amounts of crypto. And another thing that's beautiful about Tasty Trade, I could sell $1 million of Bitcoin, and then I think there might be like a $250,000 limit or something to transfer to your bank account. You could probably call them and adjust it, but with Coinbase and places like that, man, they'll set like, I don't know, 10,000, 25. It's a pain in the ass. So I don't know. You could probably call them too, but what's going to happen with the Fed when the Fed they're supposed to rate? I thought they're today, Junior. I thought they're supposed to talk about cutting rates. Look at ICP. Or is it tanking again? I thought it was doing really well. But CryptoVisor, well. I know it's on here. I don't see it. Yeah, it's doing really well. Finally started working out for him. It's up 51. It's up more than Cardano, I think. Cardano pushing 39 cents. Let's go, baby. I want 40 cents today. By the 61. That's actually better. Poll time. Will Cardanzo break 0.40 today? Today. I want 40 cents by the end of the stream. I don't think that's gonna happen. It's gonna take quite a push. Total crypto at 1.38. Like I said, next stop 1.6. That's another like 300 million. Robinhood, they froze trading to protect. Yeah, I'm not a fan of them. I'm just saying the fees are cheap there. And that was more to, not necessarily just to protect Wall Street. That was to protect them. I think that they were on the verge of being bankrupted by it. This ain't even the bull run. We're freaking early. Feels good. Yeah, I agree. What is is that OJ Simpson? What is that? Oh no. Is that actually you? Let's see. Is this you right here? Look at me all stalking. Get me all copyright striking crap. That's you? Is that you when you? That's you when you saw the price of your Caspa this morning? You checked the Caspa chart and then you ran out and gave us one of those. You watched The Modern Investor? I used to watch him. PewDiePie. I've never even heard of some of these people. Roaring Kitty's that AMC guy, isn't it? Oh, who is that guy right there, boy? I need to get some new logos and shit. Those are so cheesy. All right. Ethereum pushing 2,000. You know what that means? We're up $175 on my ETH long. I was wanting to pile onto that bitch, but I was a little. I forgot to pull the string on my tampon. ADA 38.5. Solana 48 bucks. Everything's just off to the races right now. XRP 70 cents. Atom $9. Barneswalgo P Horsetooth might get out of the mental institution he's in this month. Radiance even doing well. Ergo, Osmosis doing okay. Dot, E-Gold. E-Gold's coming back down to earth from that scam pump. Matic doing really well. BNB trying to do This chart is the worst chart ever. Pepe's probably flat. There's no reason for Pepe to be. We need a meme seat. My Pepe's actually up a couple $100. We're getting there. We're only down about 50% on my Pepe now, Jason. Feels like the good old days. It was more than just RH2. Let's head a wait. Was that Velez rapping?
Typical low-life thugs.
I just assumed that was someone's video. Is that you actually rapping, Velez? I need to get you, Farnswalk. If that's you rapping, that's not you rapping. That's just one of your playlists, right? Yeah, that's not the same dude, for sure. Yeah, that's not you rapping. I'm gonna say, if you can rap, get you, Farnswoggle, and Jason in the studio. Let's get some live sound going. I don't know who Nor is. We need a rap song. What was this? Oh.
Typical low-life thugs.
Also, you know what they call cheese in Paris? What they call it? Le fromage. Le fromage. Man, it's like those French guys have a whole other language. Yeah.
I don't know if that's something you just Googled and it came up, or if that's actually something you just kind of knew was out there.
That's all you can say!
What did you say, Token? No. Starting over. When it's over. Anyone watch Reacher? I might have to go back and revisit it. I thought it was I had a hard time with this Tad guy from Blue Mountain State playing this badass. And he's not the greatest actor, to be honest, to be playing something like that. All right, let's do a like check. 5 people in the house, 4 likes. Well, we're 80% winners today. I didn't care for this movie, but the acting he did was incredible. He's got some effed up teeth. You like the movie? Yeah, it was too dark for me. I should rewatch it. Surprised you've even seen it, Coit. Yeah, his acting was incredible. Not dark enough for you? Yeah, he's a great actor. All right, let's see what's going on with Cardano native tokens that are going to make us rich. It's too hard to tell how they're doing with tap tools because ADA's going through the roof. I wish you could swap this to see what percent they're up just dollar-wise. Like this almost does me no good. Indy's at 6.3, but ADA's up like 20%. So what's it's 242. I don't know what dollar value it was. All right, let's check out Book Gonna Cook. It was at like 23, 22.9, 23. I'm up, baby. Is this on Book? No, not on here. Oh, I can look at it on here, duh. All right, baby. Still jingling. Where did I buy it at? So now this is in ADA. Yeah, I don't know. It's too hard for me to tell. I bought it 2 nights ago, like right around here, right? Up like 20%. Let's check the goots. I think that floor on the goots are up. Jelly cubes. The Gutenberg is trading like crazy. These jelly cubes, we looked at those yesterday. I remember those looking stupid. What is this one right here? $12.65. There's your chance, Kurt. There's a desperate seller right there. See how double WMT's doing? You know me, WMT's in fuego. You look at it on the 30-day. Someone was buying WMT back here at 14 cents, currently at 16 cents. Let's see how my NTX is doing. Some exciting news coming out of NTX. I think I did a retweet. Well, not news, just nice little comment. I was buying NTX when, like, back here, right? At 0.048 cents. It's currently at 0.069. Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. What else? What else did is my big buy? I did World Mobile, NTX. I'm gonna figure out, what is this right here? Oh, I got a free, is this an ebook that got airdropped to me or something? Charlie, how can I forget about Charlie? Charlie, Kurt's probably in the chat right now going crazy. It's Charlie, you dumbass. Oh, look at it go. I was buying Charlie down here. Look at that bad boy rip. 15 cents. What were we buying this at, boys? What was my last buy at? I don't even remember. It was recent. Jelly cubes sound like a scam. That's a book from... Token sent me a book? Of course I'm not going to read it. It's Charlie. Wouldn't matter. Yeah, I wouldn't read it. ETH at... Oh, is ETH really at 2K? Cover your ears if ETH's at 2K. Bro, this thing is on... This thing... Look at that God candle. Are you sure that Ethereum ETF's not going to get approved too? Bitcoin at 37.8. Cardano at 38.5. Let's see how many votes. 6 votes. 50% of you don't think Cardano's going to hit 40 cents today. I don't know, to be honest. I mean, if this pump continues, I think it's a foregone conclusion. But this pump could stall at any second. We got short squeezes going on right now, I would imagine. It's helping with this pump. Go back to tap tools and change the... Really? I was looking for ways to do that. They don't make it obvious. Top right. But I don't... Next to connect Waller. Oh. I'm a dummy. I'm such a dummy. I'm such a... Can you even beat... Oh, this is dope right here, Kurt. Coit. Oh, look at tap tools. This is awesome. Man, I've been wanting this for months. All right, hell yeah. Age accept 7%. World Mobile. This is in 24 hours. Age accept 7%. 54% month to date. You don't get this kind of alpha over on George. We're all George. This is Tom. We're all Tom. George will sell you Cardano's good. He don't know shit about CNTs other than Snack, who pays his ass. World Mobile token, 20% for the month, 13% in the last 24 hours. LenFi is the biggest pump and dump. This one doesn't make any sense. Is it actually, what, ADA? Why did I go to ADA? Oh, wait a second. I'm confused. Oh yeah, it used to be called ADA. Yeah, this product, it's an interesting product, but it's too hard to do anything. I mean, liquidity wise. It's hard to actually get loans and all that. I don't know, maybe. And it's a pain in the ass to deal with. Like, you got to do a bunch of conversions in your head. What is like this worth in dollar, your collateral? Like, how much collateral you putting up to get this? You can get 15,000 NTX, which is 2,600 ADA. Okay, so actually, this one is answering the question. You have to provide 5,700 ADA to borrow NTX. So this is a good way to short NTX if you want to. I don't know. Maybe I should start trying this again, but long story short, this is a good way to short CNTs. But there's a, and you gotta look at some of these interest rates. Oh, this is insane. 1,900% interest rate to borrow a million snack. Why would anyone do that? That's only 700 ADA, but yeah, I don't know. That's way more of a headache than I care for. And it's got a $42 million market cap. Let me show you another major complaint that I won't shut up about. See how Cardano's still at 14. Dollar TVL is going to be going up because the coin's going up. The ADA TVL is at, that doesn't make any sense. What? Okay, the chart was broke for a second. 904 million, pushing all-time highs. So LinFi has 7.9 million in locked TVL, but its market cap is number third at 42 million, 43 million. Something stinks in the state of Denmark on that one. And it definitely gets pumped a lot by certain people on crypto Twitter too. So I don't know. I feel a lot of red flags on LinFi. Again, I don't hate the product, but I mean, I don't hate the idea of the product. I would just like to see a lot more TVL to justify these prices. And nothing's really changed. It's been the same product for years at this point. NTX up 143% in the last 30 days. What did I buy? Like $400 worth of this? I wish there was an easy. I wonder if IAG's Ledger Explorer is going to make it easier to read what I did. Like, it's too hard for me to. Oh, wait, where did I do it? Maybe orders. Does this have all my orders? Order history. 1 month ago, I bought NTX. $800 ADA, and I bought 7.1 NTX. So I definitely got this at a primo time. The thing this doesn't tell me is what the dollar amount of my trade was, which would be dope. If I can click on this, maybe? No. Probably view it in the Explorer. I don't know if that's gonna do much. A lot of these Explorers suck. Total. Yeah, I mean, I didn't do $8,000 worth. Like, what does this even mean? 802 ADA. Like, there's no dollar amounts. Whatever. We're up big. Let's check. I think I got $400 worth. Well, I mean, it doesn't seem like I'm up 100 and some percent. I must not have got it. I must have got it. Like around, oh, I think it was around here. October 28th. Now where did that tab go? October 10th. So it should have been, oh, was I early? Oh, what? I got it like right here. I don't feel, maybe I only got $200 worth. That must be it. Because I think I put more, I think I must have only got $200 worth. I screwed up. Should have loaded the flotilla. Let's see, 800 ADA. 800 ADA was at like 30 cents. 200 and, yeah, 250 bucks. Ah, I'm up pretty good on that. Casca in the house. How you doing, sister? Casca.
I said, for that conversation. I don't know, but just fucking everybody.
Let's see. Oh man, I miss all kinds of stuff. I've been over here waxing, just talking away. Look at all this. All right, heyo, Casca in the house. Top of the morning. You have the best soundboard, Casca. That is why I'm. I was telling you about the finer point. Man, I've talked, dude. I've done videos on midnight. Crypto burger in the mother. He says BlackRock ETF will pump Bitcoin price 10x. You're smoking crack, bro. Bitcoin's not going to 400,000 on a Bitcoin ETF approval. I hope you're right, and I hope I'm wrong. Some midnight video. Jason promoting other YouTubers. You got tap tools. I'm having a senior debt, not a degen. Let's see. I'm bullish midnight. I wanted to go out on the dexes. I want to get out of dexes, son. Cardano and go all in ADA. You want that drop? Yeah, Costco says, what if dust is worth? I wouldn't imagine you're going to get rich off the dust airdrop. I don't think dust. And another thing that's kind of annoying if you think about it. Think about all the ISPOs and the rich Cardano whales that already got like shit, the top wallets in ADA. They got a shitload of Cardano and they're going to get a shitload of dust. I don't know that I like that. You know what I'm saying? Everyone's worried about the dust token dropping. I'm not worried about it. A lot of people will probably try and dump it immediately. For me, I'm more about where we are in the market. Like, is it 2025? I may not sell dust, period. Wait for the next bull run. Now, we want a Kool-Aid sip. If I get an airdrop of dust and it's worth $1 million, of course I'm going to sell at least half of it. But I don't think that's, I'll be lucky to get, you guys have a pretty good idea of how much Cardano I own. Pretty open about it. I'd be surprised if I get $1,000 or $2,000 in dust. That's the case. Might as well just hold it or put it to work or use it. You know what I'm saying? And then just wait for the next bull run. And if midnight's everything they talk about, maybe that'll be worth a lot of money. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I sell it and buy it cheaper. We don't too much speculation. No one knows. They don't even know, bro. They were Ethereum based. Dust was we've been working on it for 7 years. Yeah, it was EVM based. Did you know that? And then they just recently, several months ago, changed it to Polkadot substrate. You think this thing is going to be anything? You think this thing's going to, they do have a dev net, so I don't know. Maybe the Polkadot, maybe it is amazing in this bull run. Maybe it goes to the moon. I don't freaking know. All right, whatever. All right, Kopi up 37% for the month. MenSwap up 35% for the month. IAG up 43% for the month. I want to buy some IAG. Nice. You can even see the chart. Oh my goodness, I feel like such a dummy. Yeah, I want to buy some high ag. Newman. Newman. You know that from Seinfeld? Newman. All right. This one interests me. This one can get a lot of hype and have its moment in the bull run. Again, I don't want to spend ADA. I don't want to trade ADA. I need that freaking Mahin to get here. If Mahin was here, I would be buying stuff. Sunday swap up 38%. Optum, I think this is going to be a bust. Did we skip by liquid? Or Indy, is what I meant. Indy right here. What's Indy doing? Indy up 53% for the month. Dollar wise, that makes sense. Look at it freaking go, boys. I can get back up to here. Now we're cooking. Indy's cooking. All right, let's get a Cardano check. Ethereum cooling off a little bit. Cardano cooling off a little bit. Looks like the market cooling off a little bit. 1 point, yeah. This is one of those cool offs. Is it going to cool off and come back down to earth? Or are we going to get another yeehaw? You know what I'm saying? What is FLAC? We've looked up FLAC. I don't remember. Let's see. Rejuve up 28% for the month. I should probably sell this. I'm not sure that this project's actually doing anything. I asked a question in the Discord over there. I think it got completely. We could probably, like, this was weeks ago. General chat. See if they have anything new over here. I think it's a cool concept. Oh, there's a new website. Well, I guess people, were they at Cardano Summit? Talking about the migration. I take that back. There's a little bit of, I mean, it's not high speed or anything, but at least, I mean, yeah, these are stupid messages. Developer update. Let's see if they come. I want to see if my question ever got answered. Well, it wasn't in September. Did they just delete it? I might have did it in the other chat too. Nostradamus is the bombest. Questions? I asked a question over here. It doesn't exist. Oh wait, do this. No. Relevant. Nope. Nope. On. Relevant. Yep. Bitches. Book? What is book announcements? Oh, we need to look at Hosky. I don't want to look at Hosky. It'll just piss me off. The Misfit series, blah, blah. Please remove any, the snapshot for the reality. What is, oh. All right, let's look at Hosky. Just going to piss me off that I didn't buy a big bag of it. Hosky even in the top 50. Yep. It's up 85% in the month. 24% for the day. Where's my Husky? Might be here. No. Oh, I got some min swap shit I never took care of, remember? I got a lot of dumb stuff. Where'd my Husky go? Oh, there we are, 1.6 billion. I'm loaded. Could you imagine if Husky was the price of Bitcoin? All right, I'm up $200 on my ETH long. You guys are probably, I haven't been paying attention to chat. You guys are probably getting all pissed off over there. And this was worth $31, I think, 2 days ago. $70, dude. Oh wait, no, 26. I could have sworn this was at $31. Oh, maybe it was $21. I made $5. All right. Tesla's dropping like a rock. Did you buy Tesla yesterday? That's why C3 is the best investment on Cardano. PBX up 56%. Yeah, I would never even pay attention to PBX if it wasn't for you. They just don't, like, you just don't hear about them. I'm not following the right people. I follow them too. Is that the, how many CNTs do you hold? Is it just PBX for you? Snack greater than Hosky. Mm-hmm. We need that alpha on Kopi. Kopi hasn't reached peak yet. Token was saying don't get into Kopi. Racing game is testing, so no pumps. The racing game looks dumb, but do they have a game like Overwatch where you can... It looks like they have gameplay footage, or I don't know, but it looks like kind of like you can bounce around a city and try and kill it. That looks interesting. Like racing? Psh. Come on, bro. 2024 it'll get back over 0.3. Kopi has a $27 million market cap. I mean, it's doing really well. You got to crow your coins. I know Crypto Crow likes it. You just missed it right there. What did I miss? The mouse was right on it. What did I miss, bro? Tom's raising your price. What was I doing, dude? I was on a rant for a while, so Hosky has more lasting power. Man. Nope, buy more Tesla stock when it's 180. You just own ADA. The only CNT owns PBX. She doesn't buy ADA, I don't think. She just buys NFTs for the most part. I don't think you hold a lot of ADA, actual ADA, do you, Casca? Les gonna buy an island with his Caspa. He's gonna buy an island with his Caspa. Hell, he's gonna come in one day like Nighthawk and say, Tom, I love you, bro, but I'm retiring. I'm selling all my Caspa and I'm out, bitch. What token did Nighthawk make a bunch of? Oh, it was like Terra. He did the Terra Luna. He made a bunch of money off the Terra Luna Classic. Remember that? He degened into that and got lucky. I own some Terra Luna Classic still in my... It's not worth shit. I also found some cash in Kraken and I bought some stacks with it. It's only $50 worth. I have 66,000 Luna Classic worth $4.66. And I have 0.63 Terra 2.0 worth 0.31 cents. Racing one game inside the bigger game. Racing is one. Yeah. So, yeah, but do they have any actual bigger game, or is it just all like this is what's gonna be? All right. What time is it? 7:33 a.m. $8 at 38 cents now. We're losing steam. And we need another Cialis pill. Just watch Kopi Cafe. Kopi Cafe is legit. Like, Cope, I don't know if Ricky and Costco are talking about the same thing. What is Kopi Cafe? You watch this, Ricky, or are you just being your normal asshole self?
Every once in a while. And the way the cleanses work is the enzymes in the fruits and the vegetables, they release toxins. After you stop eating, your body doesn't have to use all this energy on processing food. It can focus on other things, and it kind of flushes your system of
my
toxins.
Doctor got up my ass about pre-workout.
This is funny. So are you about to get
pre-workout's
electrocuted?
really bad for you? And artificial
No, most
really
of it went on
for
the
you.
floor. I'll send you a picture for the outtakes.
Water and electronics are just not
I
a
told
good
you it
mix.
was wrong. I mean, who the hell has a Guinness?
Oh my goodness.
Share.
I want gameplay, bro.
We're just can't. I can't. Some extensive planning. Rob's gone through a good amount.
I don't want this kind of gameplay footage. This is dumb.
Hi, I'm John.
And we had the
Now,
mining
is
game,
this
the
actual
racing
gameplay
game,
footage?
and Cardano Valley that everybody's testing. I thought it just...
Is this actual gameplay footage of cornucopias?
It was a quieter event than last year, definitely. But that final
Yeah, I'm about
day, I
to
thought it was
yellow
really,
my
really great.
nutsack in the
A lot of
copy.
face-to-face people time, and that's had plenty of issues. Change to 5.3.1 in this latest
This
release
guy
that's coming
pretends like he can play guitars like
to
me.
you, and that's part of our
Got
leak
some
for later in
asshole
the
sitting
episode.
on the couch
but
in the back.
We'll be back with
That's
that.
a weird
so,
look.
Next up is the racing Cardano Valley Raceway launch. That's
To 5.3. Put it all...
that are testing now. Word out.
I'm
Releases and new game content on a monthly basis.
Ricky, do you know
and
about
really prepping us
cornucopias, or
for
you just
next year and all that's to come with the if we go historically speaking into a very well
shut the hell up.
But
well, really important that we that players would host the launcher.
Someone watch this and
would
give
be
me a
working,
too
'cause
long
they've
didn't
seen it
listen
in
to.
Vegas, but Vegas was offline. It wasn't via the cloud, so we had to undo all those bits, upgrade them, and
Now this
Cardano
is
Valley that
impressive.
everybody's
This isn't
tested.
like
I thought it just,
amazing, but this is
it was
impressive.
a quieter event than last year, definitely. But that final day, I thought it was a really, really great atmosphere.
yeah, it was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it.
No.
I felt like
these
we were
dudes are
bouncing
virgins.
from interview to interview and
Well, I don't think he's
doing
a
a lot of
virgin. His
content and then
boyfriend's
coming
right there.
back and playing, watching people play games and enjoying that.
This guy's probably a
it was
virgin.
great.
Like, what's he got?
I
This
thought
guy's
it was
a nerd and a
tremendous
half right
success.
here.
We
This guy's a legendary nerd.
demoed the new racing game in a way that everyone that played it was just so fired up and pumped up about it. So it's fun.
A world from our frontiers in-game land footage. This is a year ago.
I believe it's also a place for to give you the foundation
These are just cutscenes.
to manage your own piece
These
of
are just cutscenes.
commerce. This unlocks additional districts. You own any
Still impressive.
Some great words from
This
Rob
isn't
on the
gameplay,
power
this
of the
is
metaverse
cutscenes.
and the utility of our land.
It's actual
work that
footage
you've
of my
seen.
ass.
built in Unreal Engine 5, and
Unreal
as
5,
we go
that's pretty
and
dope.
carry out
This is pretty tight. Now, is this like Rust where I can raid and kill people and burn their house to the ground? That'd be pretty dope. Survival. Yeah, here's where all the... This is where it gets weird. Is this actual gameplay of her running? Or is this a cutscene? You bet your ass I'm a perv. Bro, of course I've heard of Cornucopia. I just didn't... I haven't seen any game footage that excited me other than that stupid racing game. So far, this is pretty stupid. I mean, it's good graphics, but she just running around. What's the point of the game? She just running around, showing us her ass. I mean, if this is it, you're gonna be bored after like 15 minutes. Does she tend to her crops? Does she have to fight off aliens? Or is it PvP? Oh, again, can I come riding in on my horse and burn her crops down and steal all her loot? I know it's from a year ago. Ricky, now I know you're just trolling. Some chick walking around. This is cool. Oh, just let me walk around. Oh, let me walk to the raceway and play this stupid game. I mean, the graphics are amazing. Well, okay, look. The graphics are good. Rust has way better graphics than this, and it's not even Unreal 5. It's Unity. Now the no votes come rolling in after a little pullback. You guys are little bitches. This is cool and all. There's no... I mean, oh, come on. This is beta. Yeah, well, all I care about is I would invest in this if I thought I could make a shitload of money. I don't care if it's beta, alpha, right? Or is it going to bring adoption? I think Liam point is that these guys have been building. Who's Liam? Oh, main point. I guess. They have a bit of an open world where you can walk around a little bit. And they got a race. You can get in this race car and spin around in circles. Look, it's got potential. It's better than most blockchain gamings that we see. I just don't know how something like this is going to hold up. And I know I've looked at their team. Their team's pretty solid with like people that have been in the gaming industry for a long time. But you don't know what game's going to hit and what game's going to be worth. So you're throwing darts. Again, I don't hate it, but I don't know. I'm not. You guys go invest in it. I'm not. It's got a $27 million market cap. I mean, that's nothing. DeFi Kingdoms went to $1 billion. And its gameplay is some of the worst gameplay on the planet. That's going to hop part. Who's Peter North? I'm just kidding. He's some Canadian with a big tool. Is he still alive? Peter North dead? All right, that's my time. You've been great. I'm losing steam like this Bitcoin, like this crypto market. Is Coinbase still ripping at 98 bucks? Should I sell some covered calls here? Should I take a... No, that would be the dumbest thing ever, right? I'll sell some covered calls. The Bitcoin ETF will be announced the next day and all my shares will get called away. What else is there on Cardano? I don't know. Game-wise? Is that what you're asking? Yeah. What game? Don't tell me Stellar Hood either. That's your favorite game. Do you play Stellar Hood every day, Kiaska? What if you're playing Wolves of Rome card game? I'm not into card games. Do they have a coin? Yeah, I can't stand these kind of games. There's a big audience for it, though. Is it fun? Do you enjoy it? Glorium is in game. GameFi on Cardano needs to be looked at before the bulls run harder than Ricky from the cops. Remember last year there was a beta of Kopi. It looked really rough, and racing was. I don't know what they're trying to do because the game looks completely. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, it used to be a game where you could be in these different metaverses. One was like old time pirate ships and shit. One was old time West, and I forget what the third one was. So, I don't know. Looks like, yeah, Gods Unchained. I never played that. Glorium. What's the symbol? Where do you buy the token? What's the symbol? Is this it? What's for lunch today? You're making white chicken chili. Same goddamn thing I eat every day of the week. You can't buy Glorium yet. Well, let us know when we can. If it's the in-game currency, you play without the currency then? Is there going to be like play to earn elements? How's my jewel doing? I think there's definitely, I agree with you, Jay. There's definitely going to be some opportunity for games in Cardano. I guess. The thing that worries me is the transaction speeds. Look, that's what looks cool about Kopi. It doesn't look like you actually need to interact with smart contracts a lot. I always thought that was kind of weird about DeFi Kingdoms. You had to interact with smart contracts a lot. It was just kind of the ethos, I guess, at the time, but I would limit, and I said this even, I would limit the smart contract interaction, have gameplay, and then cash in, cash out, something like that. I don't know. I don't know why you have to do these moves and have smart contracts. Like, you could play the game. Why can you not go off and mine and earn like this synthetic version of Jewel or whatever it is you're mining? And just imagine how much Jewel I would have if I spent another year of my life running those stupid quests. And then you would get this synthetic Jewel that you could cash out with one smart contract into Jewel. You know what I'm saying? Like, that makes a lot more sense to me, but what do I know? I'm a dummy. I just today learned that you can do this. PFK is PV right now and weapons are being found. Oh, that's kind of cool. Big time game is damn near impossible to complete. Are you saying big time games in general? Because isn't there something called big time? The game is off chain. Cool. Which one's off chain? It's free to play right now. I got involved with ninjas. What is that? You got too much time on your hands over there in Hollywood. PvP is coming. Was of Rome is off chain. 2 chains. Let's take a look at DeFi Kingdoms. DeFi Foam. I just want DeFi as a game. For jewel rewards. Is this jewel even show up my wallet? Total. $44. Oh, it doesn't even show on my jewel. So it doesn't show on my lock jewel. You deposit a jewel 2,450. Ninja NFTs on Cardano. Is that an actual game? Why isn't this working? How did you get involved? What are you doing over there? Yeah, it looks stupid. Shards a ninja game. Manga. Oh my goodness, you nerd. I check out when I see the word manga. Alright, jewel worth 10 cents. So I got like $250 in jewel, I guess, in the bank. 10 cents. Remember this shit was 30 bucks, 20 bucks? Clooney. What, Clooney? Looks like something's still happening with Clooney. It's up. Clooney's up a lot. I wonder how much Clooney I have. Fira. Trank. Trank still around? Some of that Evo. I got some Evo, bro. I don't even know how to check. Evo. When Evo. I don't. I had some shit in a bank over on that Evo game that was supposed to be like Pokemon. Evo trade. I don't know how to find it. I don't know if I like was supposed to migrate it. Never migrated it. Evo. What was the name of that? I'm not going to go back on Evo. Evo game AVAX. Evoverse. I think that was it. Evoverse. They turned that lock jewel into crystal and jade, kinda. It's nerdy AF. I don't know if my coins went there or not. PvP. How do I get to the app? No. My Evo PvP. These are. Buy Evo. Evoverse. It was Evoverse, right? That might have been a. There was two different Evoverses. Yeah, there was this one. Ugh. I don't. It's probably not worth shit. I had some money into that bitch too. What about Mars Colony? Oh, I'm in their Discord. I think. Maybe I. Hopefully I didn't delete it. It's possible. I don't see a lot of. I think I did delete a bunch of Harmony 1. I got all mad. Let's try this. Evoverse. Evoverse is Harmony 1. Pretty sure this was it. How to migrate from Harmony to Avalanche. How do I go to the website? What was the website? Ugh. Knights have been building. Evoverses. It's the same damn thing. Official website. That's probably what I need. Connect wallet. Ugh. I don't remember what wallet. Probably this one. How do I check Harmony 1? From the, at the investor? Connect wallet. I don't have any Harmony 1. I wonder if it's here. Oh, I remember this. You're currently on our core contract chain. You can walk around. Boba. Let's see. Nothing deposited. Which one am I on? Terms have updated. I think they're like KYCing and shit. Whatever, bitch. I'm not reading that. I think I'm on the wrong account. Got it. Oh my goodness. Kiss my ass. Nothing deposited. I don't know. Maybe I migrate. I don't remember migrating to Avalanche. Deposit, deposit, deposit. Total. Oh, I have money. I have $582 over here, bro. No. I got excited. Yeah, I don't know that I care. Oh, wait, I do have money. It's right here. I have 23 bucks. I vested it at 56%. We're 205 days in. I don't remember doing this. I'm rich, bitch. All right. Let's look at Clooney. Did they migrate? Watch me like I've lost everything. Are they still on Harmony 1? I don't remember if I had anything with Night. I think I did. Oh, I was on Avalanche. Looks like they're still on Harmony 1. It must not have been in this wallet. I had money over here for sure. There we go. Oh, we loaded, boys. Land. Look at all our land plots. I got all kinds of avatars. 1900. Shouldn't I be able to collect my money? Play. That looks like the game hasn't done shit. I need to collect my Clooney. I should have all kinds of... How do I collect my Clooney? Is that not a thing anymore? You used to earn... Here we go. I'm earning 700 Clooney a day. 5,800 Clooney earned. This is the kind of dumb shit we did in the last bull run. I hope you're all happy. We were a bunch of Kool-Aid sipping morons. Let's see. It's going to cost hardly anything. What decks can you use over on Harmony 1 now? Is it just... Oh, probably that Defira? Is it Defira? Harmony 1? You wish you sold your 2 plots? They're on Chronos? Oh, that's right. Remember when we were all excited about this one like dummies? Watch me find some shit I'm not earning. Yeah, could you imagine if I still had money over here that I forgot about? Oh, I think you don't do it here. They have their own exchange right here. I've not gotten my land. Oh, it's collecting. It's still collecting, guys. Cougar swap. Yeah, but remember they have their own exchange for their own decks. I remember Illuvium. Everyone is still hyping that up. Not one shred of actual gameplay. That game looked kind of stupid. Look at this, guys. Harmony 1's garbage. Oh, you know what? I'm a dummy. I didn't approve it. Now I don't know if it's going. Like, I probably need to do this again. I thought Illuvium was supposed to be a card-like base game. All right, I got 25,695 Clooney. I'm rich. That went through pretty quick. I got Harmony 1. We in the game, boys. Clooney doesn't exist. Manage token list, tokens, like $235 Harmony 1. What is that? $2? $2 in Harmony 1? Should I reinvest it back into my land? ILV like Fortnite? The closer by Fortnite big time. Do you own some big time? Yeah, all right. This is how much I care about any of that. Am I doing everything I need to be doing in DeFi Kingdoms? Okay. Night, what was that? Night? Oh, remember the Lamborghini game? What was that game? Lamborghini game Harmony 1. What was the website? Win Lambo? Was that it? One verse. Yep, here we go. I got some Lambos. We might be rich, guys. Why is this on? Yeah, no botting today. to Avalanche. Please bridge your NFTs from Harmony. You should be on the Harmony Network bridge. You should be on the Harmony Network to bridge. Please be patient. Bridge all. All right, we're on Harmony 1 now. I mean, we're on Avalanche now. I'm about to lose it all. You think they how deep did you get into that? I bought one. I didn't buy any of their land and shit. I probably still have a couple Harmony 1 wells, like the actual wells. They didn't cost that much. This is a walk down memory lane. This is good. It kind of reminds me not to be stupid this bull run. Like, I'm down to find the right Cardano game to start maybe even playing or having fun with and trying to make some money, but I ain't making the same mistakes I did last time. And I have a glimmer of hope that DeFi Kingdoms can make a comeback. So I'm looking over a quote for switches, and we're selling them both single mode, multi-mode optics. What? All right. Looks like this is gonna take a minute. Yeah, we'll come back to that. I don't. Check back soon. All right, let's see how we're doing. My fans have had a nice little hum going. At least it's consistent. I'd rather have consistent like this than all right. Cardano's coming back big time. 37.2. Total crypto market caps lost a couple 100 million. We're at 1.36. Things are coming back down to earth. Bitcoin at 36.7. Ugh. Yeah, I mean, it was fun while she lasted. I'm not complaining about. I want to hold this 36K level. That would be glorious. But I could see us also coming back down to the 20. Hell, coming back to the 50. Coming back to the 200. Not all out of the question. Although I think that goes out the window if the ETF gets approved. All right. I got to remember to come back to that. I do got to get off the mic soon. I have a meeting in a bit I have to prepare for, but let's look at Twitter real quick. Crypto Crow. Yeah, a lot of people are. I discussed this Paul Barron. They're calling it a hit piece. Crypto Crow did a video on how it was a hit piece. I didn't really think it was much of a hit piece. I didn't agree with some of the things Paul Barron said. He obviously doesn't know the Cardano ecosystem that well. It was just his opinions. I don't really watch Paul Barron that much. I used to watch him some in the last bull run just because I want to know if I want information. But now, like, I don't really need to go to many YouTubers to get information unless I'm going to listen to Charles Hoskinson, right? Tell me some good stuff, or like I find a good video. Like that one dude, Dapp Central will do some good interviews, but I'm more looking for like the tech and things about the team and things like that. Anyway, let's see what he has to say. He could easily have gone a completely different direction, and he chose respect. I'd like to give him that. He definitely has his grievances with Cardano. I don't have any, like, if people don't like Cardano, there's Reasons to criticize Cardano. I'd like to help with those and someday baptize him into the Church of Ada. Can I get an amen? I'll give you an amen, brother. All right. Everyone wants to turn heads when they take their shirt off. I turn heads, all right. I can't wait to see Ada in the next bull run. This clip is absolutely hilarious. It's 3 minutes. I'm not going to watch that. Here's Rachel looking fine as shit. Okay, if you're dealing with acid reflux before getting in on a PPI the rest of your life, let's see. Strengthen diaphragm, yeah. Check stomach acid, yes. Address. All right, these are not good suggestions. Rick went to his annual holiday party. Talked about Cardano, crypto, FTX. Crypto is too difficult to get and use. That's true. Especially Cardano. I want pumps. Humble farmer research. Do you want to maximize those R blah blah? Here are the farms of the week. Arbitrum edition. Oh, boring. BlackRock registers ETH ETF. Okay, so that's why things are pumping. A big part of it. I think the ETH ETF will come pretty quick. Will Clemente says it's pretty obvious that if BlackRock is filing for an ETH ETF, then the BTC ETF must be a done deal. That's quite the conclusion. Good morning, Mijanos. Putting together a merch kit to send our. Oh, if you invest in. You invest in Mihin, now you get some merch to go with it. Maybe I'll. Oh, they're up to 80,000. I'm tempted to throw a little bit of money at this. What kind of merch do I get, bitch? Doesn't really say. Investor perk. Random set of tokens. I'm gonna invest $100. Screw it. I'm gonna invest in this. Just to be part. Oh, I do plan on streaming tonight. It's not 100% guarantee. Oh, shit. Who plays tonight? Is it Thursday? The drum beats are marching. I gotta poop. Kurt, where's Kurt been? Rockstar said they're dropping, yeah, GTA 6. I'm not much of a GTA guy. You had some land. Rex went, yeah. He made a lot of money on DeFi Kingdoms though, so he bought him a farm with it. Well. Pal Bar. Did CryptoVisor do a video on him? There's so much I want to continue to talk about, guys and gals. I'm gonna sign in. Who plays tonight is kind of what I want to see. I gotta sign in. Oh no, here we go. My leagues. I shouldn't need to sign in. Oh, I definitely got, we're gonna move Trevor Jackson up. We gotta move, oh, do I not have a running back to deal with? Oh, we can move Kareem Hunt to there. And we can move, oh, we got Aaron Jones. I need to get in. I think he did pretty good last week. I should look at the lines too, but oh yeah, I need to get him. He had 73 rush yards. I'll move him in there for now. Rashee Rice, CD Lamb. Rashee Rice is on a bye, so I'm gonna put DK in. Optimize lineup. Let's see what that says. I put Isaiah Pacheco in to optimize my lineup. That was real. Okay, there's another one. All right, tight end, Michael Thomas, no. DK Metcalf, Alvin Kamara, Kareem. Oh, at Baltimore, yeah. I'm not playing Kareem Hunt at Baltimore. Let's see, any of these the Thursday night game? No. The first female protagonist to the franchise. That's interesting. Do you guys see Giannis get kicked out of the game for his little stare down? It lasted like all of 2 seconds. Weird. Kind of messed up. I don't know that I can take. This sucks. I'm going to have to play Kareem. He's on. Oh, I don't have a quarterback. Shit. Justin Fields, Deshaun Watson at Baltimore. No, thank you. Baker Mayfield at Tennessee. Ugh. There's not a lot to choose from here. Justin Fields isn't even playing. Derek Carr at Minnesota. Kenny Pickett at Pittsburgh. Bryce Young at Chicago. Oh, Gardner Minshew at New England. New England's a good defense. Mac Jones at Indy. No, Mac Jones at home. I guess Bryce Young. What is his projection? 12. These are terrible. Russell Wilson 16. Ugh. I mean, Mahomes hasn't been doing much better for me. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with Bryce Young. Who am I gonna drop? I guess Jordan Mason. I only have him on here if CMC goes down. I can probably pick him back up. All right, let's move him to here. Reese Hall at Las Vegas. Cream, that sucks. I mean, I can play Dalvin Cook. What's this guy done? Is he getting any points? Not really. Guess sometimes people go off against good defenses. You never know. CeeDee Lamb's good. Michael Thomas. We're going to move Brandon Ayuk in for your ass. Dalton Kincaid at Denver versus Sam Laporta at LA. Is that Chargers? Ugh, I don't know what to do. 12.9, 12.3. Dalton Kincaid's kind of has a hot hand, but I'll move Laporta up. Amari against Baltimore. We should probably move you out. Projected 11, projected 12. That defense is so freaking good. I'm going to move Jerry Jeudy in. Go Chiefs, they're on bye week. Basketball is as soft as football. Yeah. All right. Sorry that I sat there and did my fantasy lineup. Maybe we'll look at spreads tonight. I will. Ricky's going to say 8:30, bro. I will stream tonight if one of the following conditions are met. This video gets to 10 likes, or Cardano's over 40 cents. Ricky's like so mad right now. 500 likes, yeah. No, I'm glad to see you're back. I'll probably stream tonight. Hopefully we're pumping. I mean, I want it to be like a reason to stream, not to just get, why what? I wanted to stream last night, but I was tired. I needed a break. But I don't want to stream if it's boring. Like, I need a reason to stream. So hopefully crypto's pumping. Because I'm saying things like, I said I was going to stream and then I changed it to like I need 10 likes or Cardano at 40 cents. Rust, Rust isn't something I should be doing on this channel. To be quite honest, it's kind of a can't wait for tonight's stream. Yeah, me too, kind of. I just hope there's a reason. I want crypto to be pumping. A reason to stream. Like, if nothing changes between now and tonight, what's the reason to get on? I'm not starting a channel for Rust. I don't even want to really play Rust. I might play some this weekend just because I ain't got shit better to do, but I haven't played in over a week. First of all, Kurt, you don't want me playing Rust. Second of all, Ricky, I know you're just trolling. It would be cool if there was an exciting crypto game to play. Find some exciting crypto games for us to try out. Tommy and the Rusty Trombone. Twitch. F Twitch. I hate Twitch. I don't even bother to stream to Twitch. Maybe I should, but I have a Twitch channel. I don't want to build a Rust Twitch channel. First, I would have to rename my channel to Old Man Sucks at Rust. I'm good at a lot of things on Rust, but I'm not good at PvP. And Rust is like one of those games, like you really have to dedicate a lot of time if you want to go like raid people and shit. That shit takes a lot of time and effort, man. Huge time sink. Oh, you know what? I guess we'll wait, but I want to get back into Kepler or back. I want to get back into Solana. What's Solana doing? See if there's anything to do in Solana. We had a little pullback. Kind of wanna, shoulda. We want to watch you try your best and still suck at it. Yeah. Plus playing and streaming. $1.34. We're coming back down fast and hard. 8 at 36. You're about to lose 36. Well, why get us all excited? You got boomered. Oh my goodness. All right, everyone. I'm going to go to 8:30. Oh my goodness. I was hoping 8:30 was like 2 seconds away. I got to kind of poop. I got a meeting in 30 minutes. And I need to get the poop out before the meeting. Speaking of poop, I have to send my poop in. But I have to take 3 days worth of poop. I got to store my poop. Take us. You want to go on a poop stream? I don't want to store my poop. I don't know if I'm scared to take testosterone, guys. I'm like, I really don't, because I've had blood clots 9, 12, 10 months ago. So taking testosterone scares the shit out of me. I want to go get a second opinion from my other doctor, but I already know he's anti-testosterone. This guy is like, oh, I'm just going to, he just like, oh yeah, we're just going to load you up with test. What should I do? I don't want a stroke. I don't want to have a stroke. I don't want to have a heart attack. Load up. You don't care if I die? It's a small dose. Yeah. How do you know if it's a small dose or not? Kurt, you want me to load up on testosterone? You're not worried about my previous blood clots and my high blood pressure? Let's check that real quick. That's just how many milliliters it is. It doesn't tell you the dose. It's how many milligrams per milliliter. That don't mean shit. What's from the vax? Oh, you don't know that, bro. You don't know that the blood clots were from the vax. Not T. I know it's not T related, but T can improves your risk of blood clots. Did you have to do 3 days of shit? What were you, like, is your testosterone, how do you go from being on testosterone and then not? Is your testosterone in the dumps again? Do you have energy problems? My iron's also low, so I need to take iron. I ordered some iron. It might lower my BP. 135 over 94. I don't know why my diastolic is kind of going up again lately. It's probably that pre-workout that I drank for a few days, but I haven't had that for like 2 days now. I did take I have taken a decent amount of caffeine this morning. Did you have to do 3 days of shit, Jason? And what are your T levels like now? I'm such a nosy bitch. If you don't want to say it in stream, just DM me or something. All right. All right, everyone. This is my time. That's my time. You've been great. You can tell I don't want to get off the mic. DM Tom testicle. Yeah, I'm worried about my nuts shrinking. How much are my nuts going to shrink? I'm down to have the energy. My energy levels are in the toilet. All right. Seriously, I gotta go. I'll probably be back tonight. Yeah, I know you. What do you mean by through the roof? Like how high? What is through the roof? Give me some numbers. Like higher than 180 and 100. My shit's 130. It was 155 over 90, like 155 over 100 yesterday. What's through the roof? I'm just sitting here waiting on you, Jason. I almost hit the end stream button. All right, I'm getting ready to hit the end stream button. Going once, 180 over 100. Yeah, 180's definitely. 180's definitely. Holy fudge, boys. That's up there. All right, guys. You could have had a stroke. Strokes come from blood clots, don't they? I don't think 180. I don't think high blood pressure that might cause a heart. I could be wrong. I'm not a doctor. Yeah, that's what I'm worried about. I don't want to have a stroke. Like what I'm going through sucks. But you know what sucks more? Dying, heart attacks, strokes. He was getting his shit from Florida. They were probably loading his ass up. What was your disease? What do you mean, what was your disease? BP and diabetics can increase chance of stroke. When I was on T, you were never on T. It grew from 4 to 5. Kurt, you're too young to have ever been on T. Do you know what your T levels are, Kurt? What was your dosage? Oh, you're asking what was his dosage? Yeah, what was your dosage, Jason? And are your T levels in the tank now? You have energy problems? Do you do anything to get your T levels up naturally? Like when you get off of it, aren't you worse off? Worse off than when you started? You need to find a doctor down there that you can go to. That's when you abuse. No, my doctor said my testicles will shrink. I send me shit to Kaiser. Oh. Yeah, that's different. That's for like colon cancer or prostate or whatever. I'm doing 3 days of shit. They're going to analyze like how well I digest foods and if I have parasites and all this stuff, which is pretty cool. 5 one time every 2 weeks. Oh, 0.5. So I'm doing 0.5 once a week. Oh, it doesn't. You have to ask for it, and the doctor has to demand. You can't demand. Oh, when you come to Texas, you can get that shit done, right? I was doing beach. Oh, were you just ripping people's necks off? So did it crash, or have you been able to elevate it kind of just on your own, get it back to where it was before you started taking it? Do you plan on ever going back on it, or you're too scared? Most of the BJJ guys are teed out. Tom Rectum has some worms in it, but it's consensual. I'll give you that one. You ever think about going back on it? Find it. Oh, you don't. So here's the deal, Jason. Kaiser not. My doctor doesn't approve it. So you just have. Well, I mean, you can go to a doctor. At least when I go to this doctor, I don't have to pay the out of pocket on the visit. But the insurance isn't covering the testosterone or the peptides. He says, yeah, we don't even send that in. They're not going to pay for it. And I got good. Yeah, but you don't. You want to go to a doctor, bro. Yeah. You're just going to have to, like, if you really want to do it, that's what I'm going to do. You're just going to be out of pocket. I think it's going to cost around, the testosterone is going to cost about 100 to 150 bucks a month. The doctor's visits would be like 100 and some, but my insurance covers that. And then he talked about doing peptides after he analyzes my shit. So that might be, you know, it might be run like 200 or 300 a month. It's kind of, and he wouldn't be on peptides all the time. And I don't know. I'm scared as shit to take testosterone. I don't want to have a stroke. And how much supervision am I really under? Like, he's just going to give me this and I'm going to load up and not see him for 2 months. That's 2 months of where I could, you know what I'm saying? It scares the shit out of me. Plus, I really don't want to stick myself with needles. You don't know, 0.5 milliliter is not a dosage. You don't know how concentrated the testosterone is in that. I mean, I'm sure it's probably, how much testosterone? Yeah, they took a full panel on me. How much testosterone? How are you such an expert on this, Ricky? Are you on TRT? One milliliter is 250 milligrams. So I'm going to be getting about a 125. Yeah, I'm going to be getting about 125, it looks like. Once a week. And you were doing 0.5 every 2 weeks. That's even lower than me. Did they put you on androgen blockers too? I might just do it once every other week like Jason at first, just to be safe. How do you know so much about TRT? Do you do this, Ricky? You guys are killing me. I want to talk about this all morning now. Just Googling. Yeah, that's what I did, bitch. All right, guys, I got to go. I got a meeting.